Happy Sunday, y'all. It's Julie Palladino with Berkshire Hathaway Florida Realty. Today, I'm holding an open house at 1002 Peta Way in Sand Hill Crossing in Viera. This is a D.R. Horton built home. It is the Glenhurst floor plan, which is very, very popular. It offers a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex room, 2162 square feet. This particular property is listed at $389,900. Take a look at this dining room, which is your flex room, or you can make it a gym, an office, a 4th bedroom. As you can see the size, it's got a long dining room table that can seat 8. Plenty of space here. Wood plank tile floors, which is a big upgrade. Gorgeous. Home was built in 2017. Barely ever lived in. It's brand new. Better than new. Why build? Follow me. Big open concept kitchen with a huge granite island. Nice sized pantry here. Stainless steel appliances. High vaulted ceilings. Plenty of space. We just took an apple pie out of the oven, as you can see. Come join us and have apple pie with us. It smells wonderful in here. So this could be your dining room. Like I said, it is open concept. Huge living room area here. Impact resistant French doors that lead to the screened in lanai and leads you out to a fully fenced in backyard. It's big enough to put in a pool, so you've got plenty of space back there. Here's your master. Huge master bedroom. This is a king size bed, plenty of space. You've got impact resistant French doors that also go to your screen lanai. You've got a huge walk-in closet. They are his and hers, so you've got 2 closets in this home. Good size here. And here's his, the smaller one, of course. There's a smaller one. Beautiful bathroom that's also tiled. His, her sink, garden tub, walk-in shower that's tiled with beautiful Listello. Got lots of upgrades here, guys. Separate commode, so you've got a private water room here with a little linen closet. How about that? Out this way. We'll show you the other 2 bedrooms. Modern rustic lighting in here. Split floor plan, so your bedrooms are separate from the master. So, good sized laundry room with built-in cabinets. Bedroom number 2, good sized closet in here. Bedroom number 3 was upgraded, so you've got 2 closets, plenty of space. Goes very deep, so you've got plenty of space, 2 closets in this one. That's an upgrade. Lots of upgrades in this home, lots of nice things. We're priced at $389,900. We hope to see you here today. We'll be here till 2. And if we have lots of traffic, we'll be here until 3 or 4, whatever it takes to get this home sold. Come by and help us out. Have a good day.